Hi everyone, back at here with another video. So in this video I'll be talking about another bird from down under, the Mulga parrot. These guys commonly occur in south central Australia in open dry woodland areas as well as plain open areas where they're commonly found seeing beneath their favorite tree, the mulga tree, which is also the tree that they get their name from. Where the other name for these guys is the multicolored parrot. So yeah, these guys, their main diet in the wild is grass seeds, herbs, shrubs, and tree seeds. Not just from the mulga tree, but from several other species, which I'm not even going to try and say because I'm just going to sound like an idiot. And every once in a while, these guys will eat grubs for the extra protein. Unlike the other parrots I've spoken about, the hooded and the golden shouldered, these guys will actually nest in trees. And sometimes in termite mounds, but mostly in trees. So yes. So unlike the other two colorful birds, these guys will do that. So yeah, these guys are unfortunately in a decline in the wild due to feral animals as well as human encroachment on their territories. However, these guys are commonly found in aviculture around the world, but more commonly found in Europe, the UK, as well as the USA. I don't really know of many being here in South Africa, but I would love to see them one day. So these guys also are dimorphic, so you can tell the difference between the males and the females. Where the males are bright green in general, with a yellow frontal band. The hind crown is patched in a reddish brown color. The thighs and the abdomen are yellow with a varying degree of red marks on them. The rump and tail coverts are green with a reddish brown near the base of the tail, with a yellowish green band that goes across the rump itself. The lower back has a dark bluish green line across it. The wings are patched in bright yellow, so it's quite beautiful, and the beak is a dark grey color, and they've got beautiful brown eyes. The females, however, have a olive brown head, back and upper breast area. The lower breast area to the undertail coverts are pale green. The frontal bands are a faint orange and yellow, tinted in a red brown. And then their hide crown is actually patched in a dull reddish brown with red patches on their wings. So you can tell the difference between the two. So yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.